Hey channel, guess where I am again? Look familiar? Behind me? And just spin it around. Back here. Actually, I'll do it this way because the sound's probably better because it's quite windy today. So, back down Crow's Nest, back down Bottlebush Pool. Just dunking, having a paddle in it. I should have brought something good, I didn't think about that, but anyway, it's cold. The Himalayan. So a couple of emails gone back and forth between the guys in Toowoomba that are doing the work, or who've got the bike, and Urban Auto Importers, I think they're called, and Royal Enfield. The upshot is, actually, it's pretty good. Not what I really wanted, but it's better than nothing, given it's out of warranty. Between Royal Enfield and Urban, I think it's Urban Auto Importers, I think it is, even import all sorts of things as well as motorbikes. They're covering the cost of the parts, so I don't know what the percentage that RE stumped up and the percentage which Urban Autos Importers stumped up, so I really don't know, they won't tell me. So, but they're covering the parts, so the dealer in Toowoomba has currently got the bike. He's going to continue stripping it down and work out what bill of materials he basically needs to fix it. Once he's got that, I'll give him the go ahead to do the work. He's given me a price for the labour. It isn't cheap, but it's certainly cheaper than it could have been, put it that way. So good. It's probably the best outcome I could have expected, given the bike is out of warranty. So I had about 24,000, like I say, just under 24,000. It's about 18 months old. And that exhaust valve it broke off the stem. Basically the valve head broke off the stem. They'll probably want the parts back, which is a bit of a shame, because I'd like to have a bit of a look at them in more detail, and maybe get a mate to look at them as well. So anyway, I don't know if I'll get them back, but it doesn't really matter. The bike will get repaired now. I don't know how long that's going to take. In the meantime, I'm looking for another bike. So again, on the table I've got the Tenere, a bit pricey to take around the world in terms of maintenance, and if I have to leave it behind anywhere, or if it gets damaged or written off, heaven forbid. KLR, DRR, even though they don't make them anymore, so that would have to be a second-hand bike. The CB. So again, these are all bikes I'm looking at. I don't think I can bring myself to take the Himalayan around the world now at this point in time. Definitely looking to raise the bar a little bit. Not too much so, like I say, because once you get overseas, you're not going to be able to insure the bike. You're only be able to insure a lot of the third-party stuff. So chances are, I say, God forbid, if anything happens to the bike, it's on my wallet anyway. So I don't want something that's terrifically expensive. So, but I do want something that's sort of, a bit more, hybrid. I'm not a dirt bike person. I do tracks. So that's the kind of riding I'm going to be doing. Tracks and roads, back roads mainly. I enjoy the back roads. Getting lost on, like today, even though it was in the car, it's pretty boring. Just doing the back roads. But anyway, so there's the outcome at the moment. I'll give an update whenever the repairs are. I don't know when I can get access. Not get access to that, but when it gives me a nod, kind of the repairs are coming to the end, and I'll be able to get ready to pick the bike up. So hopefully it shouldn't be too long. Maybe before Christmas would be nice. That's for certain. Going out of my head here, trying to find things to do. It's not very interesting doing it in the car. It's certainly a lot more exciting in the bike. So here we go. This is Crow's Nest. This is what we call the Bottlebush Pool. It's midweek, and I think I was the only person in the car park. So definitely time to come. I was sat up there with the stream. It was a bit noisy when we sat there for a couple of hours. So I'm going to kind of hang out here for as long as I can. And maybe do a bit of work. I've got the laptop with me, so time to do some work and some money to pay for all this shit again. I just can't win, can you? Can't win. Anyway, but it can be a big thumbs up. even more important, please subscribe. Getting loads of views by non-subscribers. The analytics are telling me, so please subscribe. You never know, it might turn into a dual hybrid come something else channel now. Certainly in the new year. I am really busy up to the new year. Shouldn't really be out today, but I just had to do some jobs today. So it won't be till the new year anyway, but get ready for that round the world, which is going to be, I'm going to make it ecstatic, because as I say, it's my gap year from never had early in life. It's the best canal on my own. This is my gap year endeavour. Okay, I've always been a bit of a wanderer when it comes to travel, so this is going to be one hell of a trip, I'm telling you. Please subscribe. Cheers guys and girls, thank you.